Kunestyon ng isang political analyst ang pinakahuling realignment sa Senado at nagbabala na pwede itong magpalala ng dibisyon sa loob ng mataas na kapulungan. Sa programang At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi ni Professor Malo Tequia na naiwan na walang chairmanship si Senator Amy Marcos matapos siyang palitan bilang chair ng Senate Committee on Foreign Relations. Git niya ang hakbang laban kay Senator Amy ay tila personal na pag-atake. Base kasi sa tradisyon, bawat senador ay may inaasahang may hawak na kahit isang committee chairmanship.
Senator Amy Marcos was chair of Foreign Relations plus two others, Electoral Reform and Co-ops. So now, apparently, all these three were removed from her. I don't know if what the Senate President is doing is really marking the line between majority and minority. But you will have to take into consideration that there are 44 standing committees in the Senate.
Nagpahayag din si Tequia ng pangamba sa bagong chair ng Foreign Relations Committee na si Senator Erwin Tulfo. Anya, may nakabinbing kaso pa si Tulfo sa Electoral Tribunal na kumukwestiyon sa kanyang Filipino citizenship.
You don't get a neophyte to head a majority, a principal committee. He has not really earned or worked in foreign policy. My sense is with his utterances about the China and his persona non grata statement and, cussing and everything, I don't think he will be a stable hand to chair the Foreign Policy Committee.